Friends, it's Bert, Reach Builders. I want to show you a project we're working on here. This project here is more of a mold abatement. We took the tub out here. It was a tub shower combo, and as you can see, the drain line here is definitely the wrong type. What's been happening is the tub has been leaking and the water has been pooling here. You can see the water stains. You can see the mold build up on the wall, on the studs. So we've got to replace all of that. And so we're going to gut it out now. We're going to pull up the floor and we'll see if we can't get everything changed out. You can see we took all the mold has been abated except for the floor. We're going to get the floor out today. And also up here in the ceiling, you can see that there's some up there that we've got to abate. But for the most part, we've got everything pretty well under control. So right now, basically what we're doing is prepping the drain vent pipe for the install of the tub. And basically we're going to install this on that end there. And we're going to cut out through the studs and go all the way over and catch this pipe right here. It'll also provide an overflow in the event the tub does back up. Obviously, as you can see, when they cut out this floor for the riser vent pipe and also the drain, obviously they cut too large of a hole, and that just creates an open door for critters to come in the house, which is what we had here. We had a nice bed of insulation under this vanity where critters came in and just made their home inside the house. So we're going to plug up this hole. So Jack here is going to be closing up that hole, the critter hole. Basically, he's got their spray foam and a bit of steel wool. Excellent, because the critters can't obviously chew through that. It's steel. So yeah, that's fine. We'll cut it off.
I assume you were ready for me to
What?
go at it.
Yeah, no, go ahead. Alright, so now we're going underneath the house. Let's see what we got under here. Oh boy, it's kind of tight. Wow. Yeah, we can't get to the plumbing, but it looks like a lot of, definitely a lot of floor damage. So here's the back of the tub. We're gonna install our drain here. All right, so we're installing the drain right now, and yeah, so we're installing the tub here. Usually what I like to do is put either a bed of motor or a bed of foam under the tub to fill up the air gap underneath the tub so that it don't crack when someone's standing in it, taking a shower, or sitting in it. So we just simply take foam, spray foam, and just kind of shoot it in like so. And I mean, as you can see, it definitely once we set the tub down, right now we've got it sitting on a 2x4. You can see that 2x4 there. And once we set it down, it'll set right into this bed. It's gonna get hard overnight, and once it gets hard, it won't move. I mean, it'll be there. Today we've got the tub surround, and we're going to have to bring it in. The only thing is we've got to take this wall apart in order to get it in. It won't swing through that door, so we've got to come this way.
Okay. Okay, it's just for a second. Okay, I'm ready. I'm in. Okay, I'm gonna. Okay, just a second. Okay, looking good. Okay, are you coming down as well? Okay.